Arielle's second driving lesson focused on left-hand turns and reverse stall parking, as well other skills and abilities that she needs to practice to pass her driver's test first time. And we practiced some more reversing, this time with a twist.
That was pretty good, if I don't say myself.
Stick around, we'll be right back with that information. And there, coming around there, they might take you down a cul-de-sac, and I'll do that today. Okay. You're going to have to shoulder check when you come around there like that.
Cul-de-sac? You have to shoulder check?
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Because what they're doing is they're simulating a U-turn.
Yeah.
So they'll want you to shoulder check coming around there.
Okay. That sounds good.
So when they say intersection, they mean the next intersection. If they say controlled intersection, then it's
lights.
Then it's traffic light, stop sign, yield sign.
Okay. You want me to take the little alley?
Yes.
Okay.
That way. And you don't have to worry about school zones because school's not in session, so.
Yikes.
It's a bump.
It's rain.
We're going to go right.
Okay.
Watch the video with Charlie. I think it's like the second one. We came down through there and there were a whole bunch of birds on the road, like pheasants. No, quail rather. And he stops. And I'm like, what are you doing? Well, there's birds on the road. Yes, but they'll fly away. And he's like, oh. And I'm like, go, let's go. He's like, oh, I don't want to run over the little birdies. And I'm like, come on, they'll fly. They can fly.
It's funny.
What's funny? Made me laugh. And he's this big bloke. He's like 6'2" and weighs like 180. Oh, we're a little birdie. Oh, the little birdie.
I mean, I'd probably be concerned about the birds too. So.
Oh, funny.
What can you do?
Yeah. Okay, there's an alley right at this utility pole. We're going to pull past, and then we're going to back down that alley.
Oh, pull past, okay.
Now, look forward. Where are you in relation to the lane? Stop, 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 stop. No, you're not in the middle.
Oh.
The lane is like way over there. Way over there. Where's your steering wheel? See your steering wheel? Yeah. See the tape? It needs to be going that way. Look out the back window.
How far does this road go?
A little bit farther. Another couple houses. Then you can make the hard right to go out. Whoa, 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 whoa. Stop, stop, stop.
Oh, sorry.
Don't be sorry. It's your car, not mine.
It's okay. It's just a leaf.
Yeah, let me tell you a secret about, see that thing that's covered in foliage right there?
Mm-hmm.
I promise you that it is not a soft, chewy caramel center. See, look up through here. Stop. What's in the middle of that?
A pole?
Yeah. Trust me, it's a hard, put a big dig in your car center.
Oh.
Check it out. What were you? So,
that was pretty good, if I don't say myself.
So when you stop, count to 2 and then go. Go 1, 2, and then go. You're going to pause just a little bit more.
Okay.
This video is made possible by the course package, Pass Your Driver's Test First Time. Because we know, and without some form of driver training, your chances of passing are less than 50%. As a bonus, we'll include both the defensive and winter driving smart courses. These will make you a safer, smarter driver and reduce your chances of being involved in an accident. Click down in the description there and get full details.
So usually in these residential areas, you want to be doing kind of 40, 50. Okay. You can go a bit slower, but not like 30 slow.
Okay. I just didn't know where you wanted me to go before, so I was just going.
50. Let's go 50.
Okay, well, I don't know where you want me to go.
I'll give you lots of notice. And if I don't tell you, then just go straight forward. Okay? It's the same thing with the driving examiner.
Okay.
If they don't tell you, just continue to go straight.
Okay.
And they'll give you lots of notice.
Do you want me to get into this lane?
Well, it's not really what I want.
No? I was just wondering.
Yes, you should be driving in that lane.
Okay.
So when it goes 1 to 2 like that, just mirror signal, shoulder check, and then just drift over to that right lane. And leave your signal on until you're completely in this lane. Start going straight, go straight. And turn. Watch the bice. That's what-
Place.
bicycle. I didn't quite get it out. It was all okay. Because I just caught him at the last second. I was like, oh, there he is. That's why he shoulder check left.
I saw him as soon as I turned.
Yeah.
As soon as you said watch the bicycle. We saw him at the same time.
We'll go that way.
Okay. Sounds good.
And we'll just go down to the parking lot and back into a parking space. So when you show up at the test center on your road test, and I'll go over this again for you.
Yeah, mine's in Kelowna.
Are you going to be taking this car?
Yes.
Okay. So make sure you do a pre-trip on it the night before you go down.
Okay.
Make sure all the lights are working.
Yeah.
Because you don't want to be denied your test because you found out you had a brake light out, because they're going to do that for you.
Yeah.
When you show up at the test center, they're going to do a little mini pre-trip.
Yeah.
And we'll go over, you may already know how to do this, turn on the windshield wipers, defrost, and headlights, and high beams, low beams.
You say second roundabout?
Yeah. And they'll do a little mini pre-trip. Make sure when you come into the test center, that you back into the parking space.
Okay.
That way, when you leave, that's when you're going to be the most nervous, right?
Yeah, that's true.
And then you can just drive out. Make sure you signal when you come out of the parking space.
Okay. And you want me to back into a space?
Yeah. And these will mess you up because they're on an angle. Now, stop.
What?
I'll show you the trick here.
I was...
It's always tough to back into a space. I mean, you have the backup camera, so it's a little bit easier.
Mhm.
But when they're empty like this, so when you go into the test center, try and back in beside another car.
Okay.
It's going to be easier because then you'll have a landmark, right? So this parking space here with this curb on your side, that's probably the easiest one in here to back up into. Otherwise, these are all
Should
pretty.
we do that one?
But that's my suggestion. You can back into anyone you want. So your turning signal. Remember, anytime you move the vehicle sideways, anytime you turn, even in a parking lot, you're signaling.
Let's see. I'm crooked, right?
Yes, they are.
Okay. Let's see what we can do here. I can't see them. Back and try to see the line.
Okay, you can't use this as your primary line of sight. You can look at it, but it's not your primary. Out the back window is primary. One more piece. There you go. Nice. A little crooked. Are you in between the lines on that side?
Yeah.
That's all you got to be. You just got to be in between the lines. It doesn't matter if you're straight between the lines, as long as you're between the lines.
Okay. That's good.
Perfect. Nice. Very nice.
Thank you.
Felt very comfortable. No threat of death.
No threat of death.